Hi y'all. I hope y'all had a really good weekend and are having a really good start to your Monday. Monday morning's coming next, y'all. When you hop on, please say hey and tell me where you're watching from. If you don't mind, I would appreciate it if you hit the SHARE button. Facebook won't allow us to say that, so I'm going to use that SHARE as sprinkle. I would appreciate it if y'all do that. And like I said, I hope you've had a really, really good week. Tonight, I'm going to be working on a board that we're going to chalk. I'm going to chalk a rooster on. I've got the board waxed, and so I'm just letting it sit here for a couple of minutes. I have buffed it, waxed it and buffed it, which is what you have to do if you're going to chalk on a painted surface. So your transfer will come off. Let me see. Janice is outside. Hey y'all. Hey Heather. Yeah, this I think this might belong to you. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but it took us a long time to get our supplies. So I'm going to be doing this for you tonight. And I hope when you see it, you love it. Hi, Julie. Hi, Joyce. I'm glad that y'all are watching. Like I said, I'm going to wait for Janice to come back inside. She ran out to my car to get something, and I don't want to start without her so she can tell me what y'all are saying. And I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a face on tonight, but this is just what it is. I've been to Walmart. Ooh, I've been doing laundry. So, what you see is what you get tonight. Hey, Nicole. Like I told everybody else, I hope y'all are doing good and have had a good weekend, having a good start to your work week. I think my daughter's in the house.
I'm back.
Okay, there she is. So, since she's here, we're gonna start working on this board.
I'm gonna turn this down, y'all, so that y'all can see exactly what she's doing.
If you can't see, y'all swipe to the right and that'll move your comments, and then you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Heather said yes. All right, Heather, this is your board.
Turn it that way, maybe, so we can.
Well, no, because I can't work on it from that way. I got to turn it where I can see it.
Even though it's one color?
Yeah, I think I have to, so I can get it. But well, maybe when I get this center,
No, that's what
like
I'm talking-
yeah, like I
That's
want
what
it.
I'm talking about.
Okay, I think.
It's gotta go up.
Well, I want. Remember, we got to have room for the.
Yeah, about right there.
Okay.
I think that's good. Matter of fact, I'm glad that we had to redo it. Because I didn't leave enough room when I did it.
Okay, y'all. What I'm doing is getting this transfer down here. Janice, will you please give me that placement tape, because this is wanting to wiggle around a little bit.
Well, it's got an air bubble right here. That might be why, but y'all get it.
Okay. Try to get the air bubbles out of this and make sure that it's straight. Okay, y'all, I'm going to turn this around so you can actually,
Do you still need it?
well, Maybe not, honey. Maybe not.
If you do, tell me. I'll keep looking.
No.
Here somewhere.
No, I don't think so. I think it's gonna.
All right.
Yeah, I think it's gonna lay down okay. Come and give me an eyeball on this, babe, and let's see if you can help me make sure that it's straight. Y'all, I can't do things straight.
And she's asking her daughter who can't either. So. Yeah,
Look straight?
yeah, it does to me. Look straight to y'all. What y'all think?
Hey, Heather, does this look straight to you, or does this look straight to anybody? Or does it look crooked to anybody? It's okay, you can tell me. Okay, y'all, let's do this. Janice has helped me and already stirred the paint up. Not paint, y'all. The paste. This is not paint. Okay. Oh, where's the squeegee, baby? Thank you. Okay, y'all, let's start moving it around. We're gonna have to work on it a little bit at a time because we don't want the paste to dry. So what we're gonna do is work on it and then look at it, bring the transfer up, and then work on it and bring the transfer up. In fact, I think we're just gonna get these words here done, and then we'll bring this part up. What I'm doing now is just taking off this extra paste. Okay.
Oh, everybody was saying it was straight, so good thing.
Everybody was saying it was straight. Okay, y'all, can you see it? Okay. So now I'm just gonna lay it right back down. Then we're gonna work on this chicken. Rooster, not a chicken, he's a rooster.
Uh-oh, the light went off.
What happened?
I don't know.
Hello. Y'all, I'm in the dark. I'm sorry, y'all. I might not do much talking to y'all while I'm doing this. I got a one-track mind. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop a minute and raise this up. And I got it all over me. But there he is. Can y'all see him? No, they can't.
I can't.
Okay,
There you
we're
go.
almost
There
done.
was a peek. Just got that right there.
Yep.
And the loading.
Hmm?
Heard a bubble.
Okay, y'all. We're gonna pick it up and see our rooster. Look at my hands.
Would you like a white?
Maybe. All right, y'all.
You stand there and hold that one.
There it is. What do you think about my rooster? I like him. Heather, what do you think about the rooster?
There you go. Get your thing and I'll take it.
Okay, how can we get these comments back so I can see what they're saying? Hi, y'all. So what do y'all think? Oh, Julie, you're so sweet. Y'all, Julie is my niece. She's telling me I'm so pretty. She might be a little partial. And Sherry has a brand new, beautiful grandbaby, y'all. Kaylin Rain. She is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, now we're going to dry him a little bit. I got it, babe.
Heather, I gotta tell you, girl, this black looks much better
It
than the
really
one
does.
I did last night. I'm
really
so
does.
glad that we changed it up. This looks better. It looks more vintage.
And y'all, I'm gonna pick him up. I don't know if you can really see this or not, but if you'll look right in here, the letters are detailed. See the little breaks in the letters?
I love how you can see his eye too.
I know.
That's
See
a
his
pretty
eye
detail.
right there? He's looking at me. Y'all, I love it. I think it looks really good. And Heather, I am certainly with Janice. This is
Heather,
much more vintage.
she wanted to know what we did before. What I did last night was I did this red. I did his beak and his eye yellow, and all of that was red. And then this was like a kind of an orangey red type color. And then the rest of him was black, and I had put some blue in there, but you couldn't see the blue at all. It actually turned into a gray.
Yeah, it did.
And I did his feet in like an yellowish orange color. And then everything else was black. And it definitely was a creative try, but it lost the detail.
You couldn't see his eye this good.
You couldn't see all that detail. So I'm really, really happy that we did it this way. And I mean, you've got the teal in there anyways. So guys, what we did here is we built this board ourselves. And
I'm gonna turn him to face me, guys, because we're gonna put a bow on him.
And so we built the board ourselves, and then we stained it, and then we painted it just one light coat of white, and then we did one coat, and the white was a chalk paint. Mom, what was this color?
A drift.
Yes, and then the teal that we used here was made by Folk Art, which you can get from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. And it was called a drift. That's the name of the actual color, was a drift. So and sanded it down and it turned out like this. It looks amazing. So no, because I don't think that we should hot glue it down until after we spray it.
Oh,
So
that's
I
right.
think, just show them what the bow's gonna look like, and then, but then we can take it off, and then we'll spray it and put it back on.
Yeah, I had forgot about
Um,
sealing it up.
So what we're gonna do, Mom's gonna go ahead and put a bow on it. Yeah, let me use this.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Um,
I'm getting ahead of myself here.
Mom's gonna put a bow on it, make it all nice and pretty, and we're gonna just do that so that you guys can see what the whole process of it really. But we're gonna actually take it apart later. We're gonna spray it with a polyurethane sealer, and that way it will be on there forever.
Forever.
Heather says she loves the way it looks in all black, and she's scoping out her walls to see where to put it.
Heather, did you see the rooster or the chickens that I inked on a dish towel the other night? Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna make this really tight because we're gonna go back and take it apart so we can finish it up. But I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. We're gonna, I don't know if y'all watch Refabbed with Brooke. But if you don't, you should. This is Brooke's bow that she came up with. And everybody has fell in love with it. Brooke does a lot of DIY. She also has a boutique. So y'all should check her out. It's Refabbed. Okay. I think we need to put a chicken bow on there, don't y'all think so?
Heather said she did not see the towels, but she'll go back and check it out.
Okay. Yeah, you need to see that towel, Heather. It's really cute. Yeah, I've got it right here. I'll hold it up for you to see. Well, for all of y'all to see, not just Heather. I'm kind of talking to Heather because this board actually is hers. But here are the chickens, y'all. Nicole, I don't think you saw this either. Here are the chickens. We did them all in one color. I did them on a large dishcloth. This color is tied, and it is really pretty. But these chickens, I've seen them done in black and white. They could be done in red, and they would be red and white. I've never seen anybody color these in, but just one color. And the ink is really simple to do also. You just have to heat set it when you get done with it. Okay, so let's make us a chicken bow. or a rooster bow. Whatever we're making here. I'm trying to call it the wrong thing, y'all. Okay, then you pinch it up. I only need that little twine. Is it up here on the table too, babe? Well, you know what? Let's just use this right here. Let's just use a piece of this. Uh-oh. I left out my... Okay, y'all. And you just pinch this up. Y'all are having neuropathy in my hands. That's why I'm having such a hard time here. If you don't mind, yeah.
Yeah, don't be scratching with the rooster.
Yeah. Okay, just...
Is that the back?
Yeah. Is that like what you've got is a bag? Yeah.
That's what I want.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, oh, y'all can't see what we're doing, but what Janice is doing is she's
I just tied this jute cord.
tying the jute cord to get, so we can make a bow. Then we're gonna clip off these ends. And y'all, I might dovetail these things all backwards, you can't never tell. But I'm gonna give it a shot.
You know how to do that, right?
Well, sort of, kind of.
That's what you
Okay, y'all, I did it.
You did it.
So let me get these ends all dovetailed.
Heather said she loved it.
Does she? Okay, good. I'm glad.
I think she might be talking about that towel.
Oh, the towel?
I
Oh,
think
okay. Well, that's a good thing, too. So y'all, comment and tell me what you think about this rooster. And I'll show you this refab bow here in a couple minutes. Well, I hope it's not going to be a couple minutes, but it might be. Like I said, I have neuropathy in my hands, and they're a little bit hard for me to use, but we'll get it done.
This doesn't make you really good, does it?
Well,
That's all right.
I didn't even think about it. Okay, y'all, I think we got it. Now, what you do is you just get your little bow going so you can see all your colors. Y'all want to see the chicken, I'm sure.
Ava's watching too.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, Alicia, it's this girl I used to work with.
Uh-huh.
She's on. She's watching.
Hi.
And Heather said, I'm so excited to see it. I'm loving that bow too. You ladies are amazing.
Thank you so much. We are really having fun with this. we are enjoying doing this, really. And if any of y'all would like to try this, I think there's about 6 Try Me kits. They're about $19.99, I think, and it's just a one-time thing. And there's also a club, and that's a 3-month commitment for $19.99 a month. And then if you want to be a designer like me, then you sign up and you get a kit and just take off running. That's what me and Janice did. Okay, y'all. Let's look at it. I'm just going to put the bow, just kind of lay it down here. We're not going to glue it tonight. But there it is, and we're probably going to fluff it up a little more when we actually get ready to glue it. And I may actually go ahead and put some different colors in it. But there it is, y'all. What do you think? Don't be scared, y'all can tell me. My son-in-law's calling the puppy doggies.
Looks good.
Thank you, Randy. My son-in-law likes it. My husband hadn't seen it done yet unless he's watching this live. So what do y'all think?
Heather said she's loving it.
You love it, Heather? I'm so glad you do. And like I said, I probably will do a little more to this bow, but I just wanted y'all to get the gist of what he's going to look like, how it's going to be decorated. And we'll be happy to do one of these for any of y'all. You can tell us what color you want. That's what Heather did. She picked out the color for her board. And we tried to go with that. I think we did go with it. And so we'll be happy to do the same thing for y'all. Or you can click the links that Janice is going to put up at the top and do one of your own, whichever you want. Are my comments gone away? Because I can't see anybody.
Well, you can't because
Oh, okay. Huh?
you couldn't because I had to do that.
Oh, you did? Okay. Let me see. I want to see what y'all are saying. Bring them on camera. What you want to bring on camera, honey?
What are you talking? That Mom, that's Facebook telling you that.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I've been telling you what they're saying.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all. Well, we had fun doing him. And I hope you're going to get a lot of enjoyment out of this, Heather. We'll get this to you on Wednesday. We are going to take this stuff off like Jen said, and we're going to seal it up for you. Like I said, we're probably going to do a little more with this bow. And that's it, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for commenting. We will try to see y'all here tomorrow night around 8 o'clock. I want y'all to have a wonderful week. Have a good work day tomorrow on Monday. I remember how Mondays used to be. So we'll see y'all later. Have a good night.
Heather said thank you.
Bye. You're welcome, Heather. You are more than welcome.
See y'all later, guys.
Bye.